and just the adult research. Thank you very much, everybody, for doing this.
So why Vision Zero? In 2018, there were 32 fatalities on Hawaii County roads. That's the highest number per capita in the state. So we have that really unfortunate reputation. In January of this year, we've already had 2 fatalities versus 0 this time last year. I imagine that we're all shocked and dismayed at the news from Honolulu earlier this week, of the 5 pedestrians being seriously injured and the 3 pedestrians being killed. And it's suspected that excessive speed and alcohol were the reasons for those fatalities. So the premise of Vision Zero is that all these fatalities and countless serious injuries, which add up to millions of dollars of cost for families and each of us, can be prevented. Vision Zero starts with the ethical belief that everyone has the right to move safely in their communities, and that system designers and policymakers share in the responsibility to ensure safe systems for travel. So we know that our DOT and our DPW have that vision for their work on the roadways. Vision Zero is a significant departure from the status quo in 3 major ways. Vision Zero recognizes that people will sometimes make mistakes, so the road system and related policies should be designed to ensure those inevitable mistakes do not result in serious injuries or fatalities. This means that system designers and policymakers, hello to our council members out in the audience, are expected to improve roadway environment policies such as speed management and other related systems to lessen the severity of crashes. Those are the things that we'll be working on as we launch the Vision Zero task force and plan. Vision Zero is a data-driven, multidisciplinary approach, bringing together diverse and necessary stakeholders to address this complex problem. So it won't only be our members of the county council departments and the Department of Transportation. It'll also include public health, the Department of Health, Hawaii Institute of Public Health, community members who have expertise in roads, like Chris Seymour, who owns and runs Hilo Bike Hub, a wide variety of people. Vision Zero acknowledges that many factors contribute to safety mobility, not only roadway designs, but speeds, behaviors, technology, and policy, and sets the clear goals to achieve the shared goal of 0 fatalities and severe injuries. We know there's several bills currently before our state legislature related to Vision Zero, and we are so proud, if I may say so, that Hawaii County is really leading the way by having the Vision Zero proclamation today by Mayor Kim, and then starting the task force on the 20th of February. Our first task force will bring together several members from the government and from the community, and then it will expand as time goes on. I want to say that later this month, Councilmember Sue Liloy will be sponsoring a resolution to adopt the goals and strategies and policies of Vision Zero. Thank you, Councilwoman Liloy. We want to take a moment to thank Joy Barua of Kaiser Permanente Community Benefits. Joy, you want to raise your hand? Who actually gifted or donated $20,000 in seed money to help kick off our Vision Zero efforts. So thank you, Joy. I would also like to thank the members of the Mayor's Active Living Advisory Committee, and most especially Planning Director Michael Yee, for their support in getting us to where we are today. Mahalo.